These delicious pasties are made with Jalna Greek natural yogurt. It stars in the 2-ingredient dough, the flavoursome filling, and the herbed yogurt sauce. To get started, heat the oil in a large frying pan over high heat. Cook the onion and garlic, stirring for 3 minutes or until the onion softens and the garlic is aromatic. Add the beef mince and cook stirring for 5 minutes or until you can see the minces change colour. When the mince is browned, add the vegetables, curry powder, and cook until aromatic. Then transfer the mixture to a heat-proof bowl. Add some of the Jalna yogurt. This will add a creaminess to the filling, and then add some coriander. You want to set this aside to cool. While the mince is cooling, combine 1 cup of the Jalna yogurt with the plain flour in a bowl. Mix it together with clean hands until the mixture makes a sticky dough. Lightly dust a clean work surface with flour and gently knead the dough until smooth. Next, cut the dough into 8 even portions. Dust the work surface again and roll each portion out to about a 16cm round. Now that we've got our pastry ready, divide the filling among the rounds and pinch the dough together at the top to seal. I like to twist the edges to make them look a little fancy. Place the pasties on a lined tray with baking paper and bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes or until the dough is golden brown and the filling is heated through. While the pasties are cooking, place the remaining Jalna yogurt, coriander, and lemon juice in a small bowl and stir to combine. Serve the pasties with salad and drizzle with the yogurt mixture. Whip up a batch to enjoy with family and friends.